Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. So if you wish to receive job updates daily, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And today we're going to discuss regarding job vacancies at Visakhapatnam for an MNC. This is a Japanese MNC, Isai Pharmaceuticals India. So currently they are having vacancies in their production manufacturing for the roles operators in compression, coating, granulation and packing areas, and executive roles coating and dispensing. So coming to the qualification details, here you can see that is, if you are a BSc diploma or BPharm candidates, you are eligible. Minimum work experience 3 years, maximum 8 years, and the work location is Vishakhapatnam, Paravada. So coming to the desired experience, you must have exposure in dispensing, granulation, compression, coating. So there are some preferences here. You can see if you are having experience, hands-on experience in enteric and sugar coating and compression, especially machines like Killian and Fete, and in packing, CVC blister packing and blister cartonator. So you need to carry all the required document mentioned here. The date of walk-in is 17th August. So the venue is Hotel Fairfield by Marriott. So R&B Junction near NAD Road, Vishakhapatnam. So WhatsApp numbers are provided here. For location, you can scan the QR code. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts regarding this walk-in interview, you can approach me in the comment section so that I can clear you. Thank you for watching.